algorithm, wherein which when we are looking for GCD of two numbers AB, we take two temporary variables R1 and R2. So R1 is equal to A, R2 is equal to B. That fetches us the remainder R and as well as the quotient Q. So how do we get the quotient? We all know that when R1 gets divided by R2, R1 is nothing but R2 into Q plus a remainder R. So R is nothing but R1 minus R2 into Q. So now let us see here how the Euclidean algorithm process iterates. When we get the remainder, the B value gets assigned to R1, the remainder gets assigned to B. And this process continues till we get the remainder value 0. When we get remainder value as 0, the corresponding R1 is the GCD of A comma B. Let us look at how the algorithm is written from the given process. Initially, we take R1 as A, R2 as B, then we iterate till R2 is greater than 0. So as you can see, we calculate the Q coefficient and the remainder R as we discussed earlier. Then we reassign R2 to R1, R2, R2, and this process continues till we get R2 as greater than 0. Finally, when R2 becomes 0, the GCD is R1. When we get two numbers GCD value as 1, then we say that A and B are